Hey guys, yesterday we pulled into the Mark and Glen County Campground in Kalamazoo, Michigan. And this morning we got a big event planned. We're going to head over to South Haven, Michigan to the National Blueberry Festival. So we're going to see what that's all about. Stay tuned.
Okay, we're at South Haven at the Blueberry Festival, and we've already been through some vendors, but we stopped to look at this view. It's amazing. There's a little bar and grill down here, but I don't know what it is or if we'll even make it there, but it looks good. But look at that view, and we haven't even made it to the Lighthouse yet.
It's the one who eats the most. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody stand up. Do not touch that eye. My favorite part.
This is so cool. I've seen, it's like you're looking into the ocean, but it's actually Lake Michigan. And there's huge boats, and then there's these little bitty boats that I probably wouldn't go on because it's like big. But there's a beach, there's people everywhere. It's a lovely day. I'm loving it. We're in South Haven, and we walked clear out to the Lighthouse. My sister's in a cart. She's got a broken leg, and so it wasn't much of a walk for her. She really enjoyed it. But we're out here, and there are boats everywhere, and it's really rough. I don't know how these people do it, but there's one that looks like a pirate ship. The guy driving the boat even had a pirate hat on it, and so it's pretty cool. You can't go up in the Lighthouse for safety reasons, but it's beautiful. And I could just stay out here all day with because you know how much I like to do my hair. This just takes care of it. So it's a good time.
Okay, my wife couldn't stand it. She had to get her feet wet. There she is. She says it's really cold. She is kind of a goofball. Is it cold?
A little bit. That feels good. If I had on my suit, I would sit down.
Okay, that felt so good. The whole reason I wore sandals is so I could put my feet in Lake Michigan. It was worth it. Okay, we came to Brookside Farms Blueberry. You can go pick blueberries or you can just buy them. I went ahead, I'm not gonna do the blueberries. I just bought the jam already done. And they have the best blueberry granola. I have it on yogurt. My sister says it would be really good on ice cream. Kent found some muffins and turnovers. So we won't need to go grocery shopping or to a meal for quite some time. And isn't this the cutest coffee mug? It's adorable. So, but it's beautiful. Flowers everywhere. So. Okay, today was a really good day. We went to South Haven to the Blueberry Festival and found all kinds of things related to blueberry. Everything looked great. And then we ate at a little place called Julia's, and I had a chicken salad sandwich, and he had a BLT. He says it's the best BLT he's ever eaten. Very good. Got to walk out on the pier. So it was just a great day, a neat little community. So I think everyone should visit here.
And I also have to say the BLT was great because I had a half a pound of bacon on it. And I'm a bacon lover. I mean, you got to be a bacon lover. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, have fun camping. We'll talk to you later. Bye.